Honor student. The former honor student shocked everyone when he went on a spree of shoplifting across the city. Honor student. The former honor student shocked everyone when he went on a spree of shoplifting across the city. Spree. After his spending spree, he was held accountable for the massive debt he had accumulated. Spree. After his spending spree, he was held accountable for the massive debt he had accumulated. Accountable. The guard was held accountable for losing the museum's most precious memento from the war. Accountable. The guard was held accountable for losing the museum's most precious memento from the war. Memento. He kept an old propaganda poster as a memento of his youth spent in a leftist activist group. Memento. He kept an old propaganda poster as a memento of his youth spent in a leftist activist group. Leftist. The leftist newspaper decided to print an enlarged edition to cover the protest in detail. Leftist. The leftist newspaper decided to print an enlarged edition to cover the protest in detail. Enlarged. Due to the enlarged scope of the project, the board had to introduce stricter safety measures. Enlarged. Due to the enlarged scope of the project, the board had to introduce stricter safety measures. Measures. The new security measures were so rigid that even the employees struggled to enter the building. Measures. The new security measures were so rigid that even the employees struggled to enter the building. Rigid. In the old painting, the king was depicted as a rigid ruler who never showed any emotion. Rigid. In the old painting, the king was depicted as a rigid ruler who never showed any emotion. Depicted. The graph depicted a successful start to the year, but then showed his work tail off in December. Depicted. The graph depicted a successful start to the year, but then showed his work tail off in December. Work tail off. The teacher noticed his work has been tailing off lately, which was unusual for such a dedicated honors student. Work tail off. The teacher noticed his work has been tailing off lately, which was unusual for such a dedicated honors student.